Ang susunod naman na katanungan ay magmumula naman kay Carlos Aragon of Mega Kapamilya. Ito naman medyo siguro wala to sa PBB. Parang yung mga questions na parang ang sarap ding antayin namin lahat at marinig ang sagot mo.
Okay po.
His first question is, ano ba ang biggest pet peeve ni AC?
Biggest pet peeve?
Sobrang na, yun ang pet peeve na biggest pa, di ba?
Madami po. I think, madami. Different po eh. When Ate Ivana asked this in the house, kasi one of our first days, we were really we were getting along with each other and seeing what we don't like so that we don't do it in the house. Ako po, when Ate Ivana asked me, I said my biggest pet peeve, or one of my biggest pet peeves, is when people live life on a hierarchy. Does that make sense? Na parang, lahat naman po tayo, we're all human beings at the end of the day. So, it's not hard to say hi to the marshals or the janitors. We shouldn't be treating these people differently from how we are just because of this hierarchy. So, that's one of my biggest pet peeves.
Dapat kahit anuman, pantay-pantay tayo. Diba?
Yes.
Kindness.
Human beings at the end of the day. Yes.
Oo. Meron pa ako naalalang pet peeve, pero kailang hindi natanong dito. Wala dito, napanood ko lang kasi.
Ano yun?
Ayoko, atin lang dito. Okay. Eto, susunod, AC, ayan. Tatanong ko talaga sa'yo to. Kamusta kayo ni Harvey after mong lumabas ng bahay? May mga sinabi na ba siya yung nag-usap? Hindi na kami hindi kasi ako lang natanong, nakasulat siya. Tsaka hindi kasama ko si Harvey nung nasa loob ko ng bahay. Huwag ka mag-alala. Nagkita ka pamilya kami sa Pasig.
Oo! Alam ko!
Alam mo, okay, kwento.
Alam ko. Okay po kami. As in, okay po kami. Kaya nagulat po ako when people would go up to me and be like, ganito. Hindi ko po alam na naging issue din po siya sa labas. But for anyone asking, me and Harvey are okay. We're totally good. If anything, we have gotten stronger because the time apart and the time of not having communication made us stronger individually. So now that we're back together and we chose to be with each other, has made us so much stronger. Though may mga issues, alam ko po na may nagsisirculate, but he knows me eh. People know me na when I feel close to a person, with Darren, nakikita niyo naman po ako with Darren na ganun po talaga ako with no mali siya, no meaning at all. And I clarified so many times at that house na may jowa nga po ako, na may Harvey po ako. And, and ano po, like yung tingin ko sa kanya, let's talk about it now. Kay Michael sa bahay, I would tell him all the time that you're like my daddy. You're like my Canadian buddy na iba kasi yung feeling pag connected home. Connected to home. Yes, na I know the things I say, he won't take it in a different way. But he really did, truly, made me feel like home, made me feel like Vancouver. Because we're both from Vancouver po kasi. As in, we know details about our school life, ganun po. So, he made me feel like home. And Harvey understood that and we've been good since then.
Diba? Sa mga pagsigot mo na ganyan, napa-comment ng isa sa mga kapamilya na si Jackie from Facebook. Sabi niya, sana all my love life, blooming ka, heart. Oh,
thank you po!
So, nakwento na ni Harvey sa'yo yung nangyari
yes,
nasa yes. Kapamilya?
Tapos siya din nagsabi na parang,
i-share mo naman, kasi baka sabihin niya, we have parang inner chika. Kasi, ikaw naman, sa'yo naman galing, baka sabihin, napakadaldalita ko, di ba?
Hindi po, parang he just...
Bigyan naman natin sila ng clue. Nung nag-show kami, nung Bida Kapamilya, kasama ko sila Harvey, they're promoting yung, that's the Four
Bad Boys and Me.
Yes, tapos nasa party kami noon. Tapos parang, happy siya nung una. Tapos siguro may mga lumabas sa Twitter.
Yes.
May mga, so wala pa ng Twitter X. Sorry. Twitter, may lumabas online.
Opo.
Tapos parang nawala siya sa mood na parang kinausap niya na yung handler namin, RM namin, ganyan. Pero siya, hindi na namin alam yung nangyaring kwento doon. Ano nga yun?
Yes.
Ayan.
Yan po na parang because how people were taking me, they took what I did and what we did in a different way. I believe this was the relationship work game that we were playing. Sa akin po kasi wala po talagang mali siya eh. I mean, we do that in acting workshops to help strengthen chemistry and friendships. With him, kasi iba yung naging tingin ng mga viewers and obviously they started to tag him, they started to say these things. And when, yes, the shipping and the comments po talaga, it can get to you easily. So when you're seeing that and you're not able to communicate directly to me, iba yung ma-believe niyo po talaga. But he was okay. He was just going through it.
Sabi
So that's
niya,
all of it.
ang OA daw niya.
Ang OA daw po niya. Na-realize po niya, after we talked about it, he was like, sorry. Pero
So in short, nabanggit pa yan sa'yo na bukod sa OA, nagselos.
yes! May factor po na gano'n. Ako naman din po, nagsiselos naman din po ako. Normal po yun sa tao. But communication really fixes everything.
Okay, sundutin na natin. May naging episode sa Pinoy Big Brother House na parang for us viewers from the outside world perspective, parang closure ito with you and Bianca. Eh parang ang sabi nga dito, kamusta na kayo ni Bianca? You consider ba that episode or yung nangyari sa inyo na closure nyo? At napag-usapan nyo daw ba ni Harvey kung ano yung nangyari sa inyo sa loob ng bahay with Bianca?
Yes, me and Beyonce are so good. Na-realize ko na ang dami niyo din po hindi nakita. So people think na parang it was just that conversation and then done. But we got to spend 2 weeks together. I sleep beside her. So she was the one I would always say good morning to first and my good night last. Nagdi-debrief pa po kami every day. And
Parang sariling debriefing.
may sarili debriefing po kami every day na parang, how did our day go? How did you feel about this day? And same kasi po kami, like, our humor, yung pagka-maingay po namin is on the same level. So, yeah, and she taught me how to cook, and I would teach her, like, moves every now and then. So our friendship really got better. And I'm so glad na we were able to fix things right on the spot in that house. And kaya sobrang ano po akong pagpasok niya, kasi I just wanted to fix things right away. Ayoko po yung naiilang po kami or may wall between us. I wanted us to be so okay. Because in the first place, me and her, wala po kami personal problem. We just have common denominators and people who were saying things about us, which was causing this ilang factor. So I wanted to approach it right away and fix things right away.
Break the ice.
To break the ice po talaga, so that we could spend the next 2 weeks, or yun nga po, kasi na-update po ako early, the next 2 weeks with no walls. And we really fixed things. We really bonded so much. And I told Harvey, I was like, paglabas ni Bianca, mag-hangout tayo, please. And sinabi ko din yun kay Bianca. I was like, Bianca, okay ka naman kay Harvs, no? And she was like, yeah. And I was like, okay, let's hang out. Para okay na lahat. Because it's not, if between the 3 of us, we're okay, I think everyone should be okay with it also.
Ang taray, di ba? Parang makabagong ano, no? Hindi na yung dahil ex, wala nang pansinan.
Yeah.
Dapat maging okay tayo, gano'n.
Opo.
Pero hindi naman napipilit yung mga ganung bagay. Feeling ko naman din, paglabas niya, mas dun yung malalaman talaga without the camera na nakasunod sa inyo and everything. But that's a very good news for all the fans na talagang baka may mga dinadamdam sila or something. Bago yung last question dito sa atin ni Carlos Aragon, sa Facebook, ang pangalan niya ay si Pilan. May comment siya, tinatanong niya lang, sabi niya, ano daw ang take ni Mommy Cherry sa mga naging bashing sa'yo? Kanina you mention sa tanong ni Ate Janice na parang nasaktan siya. Pero ngayon, paano na kayo? Sinabihan mo ba siya na, Mom, I can do this, kaya ko to, relax ka lang?
Yes, first day po pa lang when she was debriefing me also. I told her, I was like, as long as I'm okay, I want you to be okay. Alam ko, all these people are saying things and they will continue to say things about me, but don't give in. And at the end of the day, it's about me. I keep telling her, it's about me, it's about me. So let me take it in, let me be better, let me prove to you, let me prove to the people that I'm not just this. So yun po, I think my reassuring helps her, and we're both just trying to balance each other out right now. Pero it hurts. I mean, it does hurt. It's super fresh pa rin po. The 2 weeks pa lang po. Opo.
Siya ang pinaka masasaktan kapag nakita niya yung mga sinasabi ng tao sa'yo. Dahil siya yung nagdala sa'yo at siya ang nagdala sa'yo.
Number one supporter po talaga. So, I'm just trying to stay strong for her, and she is also for me.
Yes, and speaking of staying strong, sabi nga ni Tita Cynthia, ayan, may comment si Tita Cynthia from Facebook, nandyan lang daw siya palagi para sa'yo, and mahal na mahal ka daw nila.
Thank you po. Thank you, Mami Cynthia. Parang kilala ko po yun.
Feeling ko isa yun sa mga talagang
Mami Cynthia.
Family. Yes, oo. Ito naman, next, ang last question ni Carlos. Kung bibigyan ka ng chance sa pagkakataon na muling makapasok sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, ano yung bagay na una mong gagawin ulit? Or ano yung mga bagay na gagawin mo?
I'm gonna... Maglalaro po ang games with the housemates ulit.
Nalulok ako sa games. Yung
Yun
mga
po.
shala-shala yung games nyo, ha?
Yun po yung nami-miss ko, yung games namin. And that was really our bonding as a group. Na kahit nagsa-separate kami, if someone says, like if Brent or Michael's like, AC, let's play games, automatic. Magsasama po kami lahat as a group. The 20, there's 18 of us and we really would push to play these games because it was so fun. Yun po.
Ano nga yung mga games nyo? Parang wala kayong nilarong yung mga Tagalog na nanay-tatay.
Hindi po, naglaro din po kami
Ay,
ng
mga
tumbang
nila-
preso, patintero.
Pero ang nagmarka sa akin yung mga English na laro sa inyo.
Yung Mr. White.
Yan, yung gano'n-gano'n. Tapos yung parang yung tatluhan. Tapos kailangan masundan siya, hindi malito. Ikaw, si Charlie.
And Michael.
And Michael, oo.
Yung Stella Ola.
Ayan. Sabi ko, walang ganyan sa amin dati.
Kami ni Will, nagnanay-tatay.
Okay, ayan. Si Kuya Norman sa Facebook, tuwa, sabi niya rito, AC, keep it up, take time for people to get to know you. Ayan.
Yes.
Oo, lahat yan, syempre, lalo na yung mga, iba kasi napapanood lang nila sa
Yes.
nakakasama nila talaga.
Iba po talaga yung perspective, I'm telling you, from the outside to the inside.
Totoo.
Yes.
Eto, susunod, dire-diretso natin ito.
Sige po!
Antes of Certified Kapamilya. During your stay at the PBB house, what were the things you discovered about yourself? It can be positive or negative. And how do you plan to move forward with it?
Things I discovered about myself, I'm very competitive. Especially sa mga weekly tasks. Like, I really want to get that goal, whatever we need to do. So, may times na I will try to take leadership. So, and people will consider that as overstepping. So I really did take a step back, especially nung si Mika and si Brent yung leaders namin. I went up to Mika and I said, hey, let me know if I'm overstepping kasi hindi ko na-realize din. Let me know if I'm doing too much, I will take a step back for you because you are our director. Sinabi ko po talaga yun kay Mika. And she let me know. So we were able to work smoothly after that and she would tell me off. There were times. So yun po, yung pag...
Competitive.
Yes, very. I bet everyone in that house is competitive. Two, na it's okay to sit and listen. I feel like it's, and I keep saying this, in a world that's very noisy, in an industry that's very fast-paced, I learned to move with that fast pace. But in that house, you really can take time and just listen muna to the instructions, to our leaders, so that you can move forward smoothly. Yun po. I think those are my main.
Saya.
And communication, na talagang communication is the key. If you, ako po kasi sobrang overthinker po talaga ako, so I need to get advice from other people. Pero right away, aayusin ko din po agad yung situation. But again, communication is the key. At least on my end, and this is the advice that housemates kept giving me, at least on my end, nalabas ko yung nararamdaman ko po. Nakadepende na po yun sa tao na kausap ko, how they'll take it in, if they're also open-minded about it. But at least I truly just told them my thoughts, and I didn't try to step on them, and I didn't try to purposely hurt them.
Grabe. Tama ba? Correct mo ako kung mali Parang nakita ko yung nomination, di ba yung napanood natin dito sa Outside World? Parang hindi ka naman masyadong na-nominate. Tama ba? Nung mga co-housemates mo?
Opo.
Parang kasi may nakita akong comments sa social media na ang dami yung nagagalit kay AC, sila pala inside the house, nagkakaintindihan naman pala sila.
Yun po, kasi communication po talaga. And we also have to understand that we were not put into this house to get along. No, we're not gonna be family right away. And like any family, any relationship, mga jowa niyo po, mga friendships niyo,
sa classroom, di ba?
Opo, may mga nag-aaway po talaga. There are personalities that don't jive. But if you approach things nga with an open mind and you communicate and you understand where this person is coming from, then you can become that one.
Meron mga comments, ang dami nagpapadala. Mula sa Facebook, si Fe, ikaw, AC, ang pinakamasaya sa bahay ni Kuya.
Lahat po kami masaya doon, swear. Kaya ang ingay-ingay po namin lagi.
True. Iba't ibang personality.
Yes.
Diba? Yung naludoon talaga. Si Ellen from YouTube, we love you, AC, and we're very proud of you.
Thank you, Ellen. I love you. I love you.
Yun. Eto, may mga question ako na sigurado kung mag-enjoy ang mga fans mo.
Oh, no.
Lahat ng mga sumusubaybay sa'yo dahil eto na, may nabalitaan lang naman din ako kasi syempre, marami akong mga nakakachika-chika na ang sabi sa akin, meron ka daw bagong project and you are one of the cast members of the upcoming movie pala na The
Four Bad Boys.
So parang
Kaya, kala ko pa magpa-promo kami sa loob kasi most of the cast is inside.
ng Four Bad Boys.
Opo.
Yun ba sila River?
River, si Brenton, si Harvey, si Jala Alonte.
Yes.
Madami po kami doon.
Akala mo promo.
Kala ko magpa-promo kami sa BBB.
Yon, so ito ngayon nasa labas ka na, yan naman ang next na isa sa mga pagkakabisihan ni AC.
Yes.
Oh, can you tell us more about your your character at pwede ka bang mag-share ng sa lahat ng mga castmates kung ano ang dapat nilang abangan kay AC dito?
Yes, so this is The Four Bad Boys and Me. It's an adaptation of the Wattpad story that I'm sure you guys all love. The leads are Angie, Jello, Harvey, Dustin, River, and I think that's all of them. Parang yan po yung Four Bad Boys and Me.
Yes,
Yes,
Angie,
tama po.
Jello.
Angie, Jello, Harvey, Dustin, and River, yes. Sila po yung Four Bad Boys and Me. And I play Tiffany, who is Angie's best friend there. I really want you to see the movie. Super cute, ang daming nangyayari, super fun lang. And I'm sure you guys will love it. It's a good cast, it's a good story, so it's something that people will really choose to watch.
Pero tama, ang The Four Bad Boys and Me ay for ABS-CBN YouTube movie.
Yes.
Yes, oo,
Opo.
ayan. So, malapit na ba ito? Kailan na ba ito?
Abangan nyo po, very soon.
Soon na.
Very soon.
Oh, kasi bago din to no?
Yes.
Dahil parang first ever love team ni BGYO Jello to. Kaya
Angie.
big winner Angie.
Yes po.
Oh, ayan. Control ko lang yung mouth ko. Baka may mga masabi pa. Baka may masabi pa ako na mga wala na dito sa detalye sa script ko, diba? Oh, kaya abangan natin yung promo ninyo ng The Four Bad Boys and Me.
Yes po.
May question dito, siguro basahin ko lang kasi nagpadala rin siya, pero feeling ko nasagot na yung tanong. Si Kuya Robert Recantina, nagtanong na, yung tanong niya is about sa learnings, ano yung natutunan, ganyan. Ganon din yung last question about din sa lessons na nagawa ko inside. So feeling ko naman, malinaw po mga kapamilya na sagot ko ni AC yan. And AC, continue to inspire many of our kapamilyas. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo.
Thank you po.
And baka may gusto kong sabihin sa lahat ng mga fans na nanonood sa atin all over the world. Take it away!
Yes, it's been 2 weeks since I got out of the house po, and there's a lot of things that I've heard na. A lot of comments, a lot of constructive criticism, good or bad. I just want to say maraming salamat po. It's been a good welcome also to the outside world na me as an artist and me as a human being, you are helping me grow and you're helping me be better, and I really appreciate you guys for that. Maraming salamat po for all the love, for all the hate. Okay lang po talaga. I will be better for you. Pero abangan nyo na lang po.
In-embrace na.
Opo! Thank you po talaga. Kasi at least nakikita nyo po na tao pa rin po ako. Tao pa rin po ako.
Wow! Palakpakan naman natin mga kapamilya sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, sa mga nanunood, virtual palakpakan. Once again, AC, maraming salamat.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Yes!
Thank you,
Oo.
thank you everyone.
Thank you for being with us today and good luck in advance, of course. Congratulations sa iyong mga upcoming projects. Pero syempre, wag po muna tayong bibitaw sa panonood at wag ka muna umalis dahil makakasama ka pa